2 महीने से ज्यादा के संघर्ष के बाद अब आखिरकार सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस की इंक्वायरी सीबीआई करने जा रही है। इस चीज का जश्न मनाने और अपनी प्रक्रिया इस पर रखने के लिए टीवी एक्टर्स और बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स सामने आए। क्या कुछ कहा है उन्होंने, चलिए इस वीडियो में जानते हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों की प्रार्थना, दुआ और बहुत सारे संघर्ष के बाद अब आखिरकार सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस की तहकीकात सीबीआई करने जा रही है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आखिरकार अपना फैसला सुना दिया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई को मंजूरी दे दी है कि वो अब सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस में अपनी कार्रवाई शुरू कर दे। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को इंसाफ मिले, इस हेतु लोग लगातार अपनी आवाज उठाते हुए नजर आए हैं। अब आखिरकार सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के चाहने वाले और उनसे जुड़े हुए लोग एक उम्मीद की किरण देख रहे हैं। सीबीआई से लोगों को काफी सारी उम्मीदें हैं। टेलीविजन जगत और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के कुछ लोगों को ये फैसला काफी पसंद आया है। उनका इस मुद्दे के बारे में क्या कहना है, चलिए जानते हैं। शशांक व्यास, who is closely following the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, said it was a much needed step, and though it is just the first step towards justice, at least now we can expect an unbiased and fair investigation. I was always in favor of a CBI inquiry, but this goes to his fans, it's their victory too. Talking to us, Nagin 4 actor Vijender Kumeria said, I am happy as I was and I am in full support of the CBI probe. I just want the truth to come out. Sushant's fans, friends and family need a closure for which a fair inquiry was needed in this case. I also hope those who all will be found guilty should be punished without any mercy. भाभी जी घर पर हैं, अंगूरी भाभी आकाश शुभांगी यत्रे said, I am extremely happy that now CBI will investigate the matter and the truth will finally come out. It is very important for truth to come out because a lot of things are suspicious, as I also believe there is a mystery behind. Whenever injustice happens, it is important to raise the voice and get justice for that person, and I am glad that the Supreme Court finally gave this verdict. Nagin 5 actor Mohit Malhotra added, finally it happened. It's a victory not just for Sushant's family but for all those who stood up for him. With the Supreme Court ordering a CBI investigation, I feel now we will have a fair investigation and we will get to know that what happened to him on that fateful day. Sushant's family can finally get some relief and hopefully they will get closure soon. Reacting to this news, Sushant's sister Shweta tweeted, Thank you God, you have answered our prayers. But it is just the beginning, the first step towards the truth. Full faith on CBI, hashtag victory of faith, hashtag global prayers for Sushant Singh Rajput, hashtags we are family, hashtag CBI takes over. In another tweet, she congratulated her extended family by writing, the first step towards victory and unbiased investigation. Akshay Kumar wrote, Supreme Court directed CBI to investigate Sushant Singh Rajput's death. May the truth always prevail. Ankita Lokhande tweeted, Justice is the truth in action. Truth wins. Hashtag first step to Sushant Singh Rajput's justice. Actor Anupam Kher wrote, Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Hashtag CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. Hashtag Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput's close friend and among the first to arrive at his residence post his demise, Mahesh Shetty shared a post and thanked the Supreme Court for allowing a CBI probe into the case. He also said that he has faith in the system and that the truth shall prevail. Bollywood actor Shekhar Suman says the Supreme Court order for a CBI probe into the Sushant Singh Rajput case is a vindication of truth. He feels the CBI is going to have a tough time investigating the case all over again. I feel joyous and exhilarated. I woke up to this great news and I was quite sure that this would happen, that the Supreme Court would give a verdict in our favor, and he did. When 1.3 billion people get together, there is no stopping. He further said, I am so happy for Sushant's father, sisters, and the family. They fought hard. They have been devastated with some stupid people pointing fingers at them and maligning them and their names, which is absolutely unnecessary. All of us should get together to get to the bottom of it and find out the truth, he said. He further said it was getting into jurisdiction thing, Mumbai versus the Bihar police and all of that. Social media is full of fake news with people coming up with idiotic theories and pointing fingers at everybody. That was complicating the case. I am sure the CBI will investigate the matter without any bias and will come to the right and logical conclusion. It is a vindication of truth. It is a victory of democracy, faith, honesty, and truth. This is the first step towards justice. Now the CBI is going to have a tough task, as they will have to start all over again. Evidence can probably be tampered within 60 days, though I hope not. And I hope that Mumbai police cooperates and everyone cooperates with each other. In this matter, Kangana said, Indians all across the globe, whether it is Australia or America or Mauritius, sought justice for Sushant with commendable leadership of resolve at the center. We the people of India who have risen and awakened to the mafias that prevail in all fields, whether it was Divya Bharti, Sri Devi or many other people who succumbed to these mysterious deaths, or Lal Bahadur Shastri or many leaders, these mafias prevail in all kind of fields. The actress credits the collective consciousness of people that made this happen. It is the victory of humanity. Earlier, Kangana took to social media shortly after the verdict to express joy over the Supreme Court ruling. Humanity wins. Congratulations to each one of Sushant Singh Rajput's warrior. First time I felt such strong force of collective consciousness. Amazing. Hashtag CBI takes over. आपका इन मुद्दों के बारे में क्या कहना है और इस वीडियो के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, लिख भेजिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शंस में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मनोरंजन जगत की सारी न्यूज और अपडेट से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें टेली चक्कर को।
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.